Okay guys, so we got Wavy Talk in the mail and we are going to try it out. It is a new hair crimping iron and like, this is a wig right now, so I hope it works. This is the crimping and we're gonna crimp. Okay, let's try it. I need a mirror, so. Wavy Talk hair crimping iron. Ready? Let's try it again. Yep, ready? 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 How's it looking? Does it look cute? Oh, so cute. Ready? It will go, I guess, to like 280, and you can, on the side, you can adjust the settings of heat, and you put it up or you can put it down. I like the fact that it beeps when it's ready, so then you know you're not going to burn your hair. So that's what I think is a plus with it. Yeah, and I think it really worked if I did like my full head, if I did more of it. But I would say go to the TikTok shop and get a Wavy Talk hair crimping iron. Because, I mean, if it's beeping, you're not gonna like burn your hair. Like, you're not gonna burn it. So I would like go immediately and get it. Yeah, it does work. Oh, that's so cute. I love it. Go to the TikTok shop and get you a Wavy Talk hair crimping iron. You're welcome.